So later, when Narendranath grew up, the desire to see God also grew day by day. Finally, one day he became successful when he could meet his guru, from whom he got the answer to his desire. He could see God. The guru who made this possible for Naren was Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa could help him experience God. Thus, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa became Naren's spiritual guru. So after that, Swami Vivekananda did not stop with this. He went on and on, walked miles, travelled all over country to discover the truth. Naren was kind to all. He had sympathy for the poor. He was courageous too. These qualities helped him become a wandering monk, traveling alone to all places to help the needy one. He often expressed his idea on education. According to him, education should develop a complete human being.